time you come around, you know I can't say no. Every time the sun goes down, I let you take control. I can feel the paradise before my world implodes. And tonight had something wonderful. My bad habits lead to late nights, sitting alone. Conversations with a stranger I barely know. Swearing this will be the last, but it probably won't. I got nothing left to lose or use or do. My bad habits lead to white eyes staring into space, and I know I lose control of the things that I say. Yeah, I was looking for a way out, now I can't escape. Nothing happens after two. It's true, it's true. My bad habits lead to you. My bad habits lead to you. My bad habits lead to you. Every pure intention ends when the good times start. Falling over everything to reach the first time spark. It started under neon lights and then it all got dark. I only know how to go too far. My bad habits lead to late nights, sitting alone. Conversations with a stranger I barely know. Swearing this will be the last, but it probably won't. I got nothing left to lose or use or do. My bad habits lead to white eyes staring into space, and I know I lose control of the things that I say. Yeah, I was looking for a way out, now I can't escape. Nothing happens after two. It's true, it's true.
Ni hao, battle beasts, and all those who enjoy watching the Ben 10 Omniverse. Tonight, we're gonna draw a slapstrike. You know, for some reason, this guy looks a lot like Forearms.
I got nothing left to lose or use or do. My bad habits lead to white eyes staring into space, and I know I lose control of the things that I say. Yeah, I was looking for a way out, now I can't escape. Nothing happens after two. It's true, it's true. My bad habits lead to you. My bad habits lead to you. My bad habits lead to you.
Alright, here's his upper half. Slapstrike special abilities involving creating supersonic impulses using his gigantic hands. Not only that, his hands are so big that they can crush trucks. Also, his body is flat, so he's immune to small spaces. Good for him. Here's his big hands. Handy. And there we are. That is how you draw Slapstrike from Ben 10 Omniverse. If this was an official alien, he would be unstoppable, along with Unitar. That's all. That's how you draw Slapstrike. That's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later. Farewell and good night.